Leetcode Weekly Context 177. Question number 2. Merge close characters. This is a media problem. We have a original given string, and if we can try some target string and start with this A, B, C, A, and with an empty target string at the beginning, and the first step, we add this A into the target string. Then move on to next one, B. Can we put B in? Yes. Next one is C. Do we put C in? Yes. The first one is A. Do we put A in? No, because with this length of K, A is already in this target string, which means this one will be removed. After this process, after we go through all the characters in the original string, we can get a target string that will be the final result we are looking for. This is the approach we're gonna solve this problem.